Hello, good morning to all. This I am audible to all. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So last time actually I have finished the two question, two numerical. Okay. This is also triangle PQR is also over. Okay. Let us see the third numerical. Okay. You can take right. Okay. Third numerical you can see over here that consider a triangle ABC having the coordinates of A 5 comma 5, B 8 comma 5, and the C 5 comma 10. Okay, and determine the vertex position if this kind of a question also asked in the exam. So now you can see here the first point, the triangle is rotated by 60 degree. Okay, the triangle is rotated by 60 degree anti-clockwise about the vertex A. About the vertex A. Okay, why they have given the vertex A? Because we need to translate the A point first to origin. Without a translation we cannot do the rotation. Okay, so it is the vertex A. Next, the triangle is scaled by 2 units in x direction and 3 units in y direction about the vertex A. Okay, so next we will do the scaling in x and y direction, that is 2 and 3 times. Okay, the third question is given that you have to mirror the triangle with respect to y equal to 2s plus 4. It is little longer question. Okay, means first two part is additional, the third part which is actually C, which is already we have seen in the last time in the last lecture. Okay, how we can like do the mirror of any triangle. Okay, so here also the same procedure we can follow, but first we'll go for the sub question A. So you can see the sub question A. In the sub question A, they said that means they instructed that first you have to rotate the triangle by 60 degree. So this is the coordinate of a triangle 5 5 8 5 and 5 10 and the 1 1 1. This is the homogeneous coordinate. Okay, this is the homogeneous coordinates. So let us first translate, then rotate, then translate. Okay, it is not possible directly you can rotate, and you have to translate at the point of A. So where the A point will be 5 and 5. So we have to translate, that is minus 5 minus 5. For example, I am having a triangle like that. I am having the triangle like that. Okay, you see, sorry, axis and triangle like that. Okay, so this is the point A. Let us I am assuming the point B, and this is the point C. Okay, A, B, and C. So this is coordinate is this coordinate of A will be the 5 comma 5. So first I will translate this point here. So because without translating it cannot be rotated. It is reaching here. This is a point A, this point B, and this point C. Okay. So now I have translated the triangle here ABC. After that, translation will go for the rotation. That is the angle of 60, cos 60, sin 60, minus sin 60, cos 60. Okay, so after the translation again will be moving or translate this triangle to this original position, that will be the 5 comma 5. Okay, T inverse 5 comma 5. So here just you have to write down this line and you can do that. Okay, and after that you can multiply. First you have to multiply these two part. After that these two part, you will get the final coordinates will be 5 comma 5, 6 comma 5. Actually I should write here after the multiplication directly. I have write down over here, that is a 5 comma 5, then 6 comma 6.5, that is 7.56, and last one is 0.67, 7.5. Okay, so this is the final coordinates for the part A. Let us go with the part B. In the part B also it is scaling with respect to the vertex A, so that here also you have to first translate then go for the scaling. Okay, the same way as usual way I told you that. Okay, but here the scaling is x direction, the scaling in the y direction, that is a 2 and the 3 units. So that you can do the scaling of the 2 and 3. Okay, now you can see here, first that is a triangle, coordinates of triangle, translation to the origin, then scaling, then translation. So the similar way here also you can solve it. Okay, you will get the final coordinate will be the 5 comma 5, 11 comma 5, 5 comma 20. So this is a part A and B is over. Understood everyone? Part A and part B. Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Now let us go to the part C. Okay, the part C will be here. You can see the part C, the reflection about the line y equal to 2x plus 4. Okay, so in the part C you can see what we are doing first, because here you can see the y equal to 2x plus 4, where the 2 will be here. You can see the 2 is m, that is called the slope, and the 4 is called the intercept. So here the ty will be 4. So first we'll find out the angle. Okay, so that is tan theta equal to slope equal to 2, that is equal to m, we can say that. Okay, so now here the theta equal to tan inverse of m or tan inverse of 2, that is 63.435. Okay, so this is the angle of rotation. Angle of rotation is clockwise. To make it align with the x-axis, we take theta as a minus 63. Means after that we will take, okay, when we'll take like a clockwise direction when we rotate, then we will take minus 63. When we rotate anti-clockwise direction, we will take plus 63.435 degree. So what we are doing first we will do, we can translate this line from here to here. Okay, that's the first point. We translate the line from here to here. So this is called the translation. You can see uh, okay, the given over here, or just I'm writing here, no problem. So that first I'm writing the triangle ABC, the coordinate of ABC, coordinate of ABC. First we'll do the translation. We will translate the line here to here. After that translation we'll go for the rotation. I can rotate this line, means first I will translate here, then I will rotate anti-clockwise direction with the angle of minus theta. Then we'll go for the mirror. Okay, then we mirror because the triangle will be here, triangle will be here. We'll go for the mirror, and after the mirror we'll again rotate it clockwise direction, and that is called the R minus R inverse. Then again I'll go to the T inverse. To reach the same position, the triangle will be mirror, and the procedure will be followed will be same. So T inverse, this is the same line will be, you can see down also. You can see here ABC, T, R, M, R inverse, T inverse. Just you have to write down the coordinate of that. Okay, triangle ABC 5, 8, 5, 5, 10. T will be here only t equal to minus 4. The x coordinate is not given, it is intercept. So here only the minus 4 will come. Minus 4 will become, actually it is plus 4, actually it is a plus 4, but when we take it down it will be minus 4. Okay, it is actually plus 4. So because here to here with the distance is plus 4, but when we take it down it is a minus 4, because we are subtracted from plus 4 to minus 4, then it is 0. Okay, after that it is first clockwise direction, so that you can take the angle is in the negative. Okay, all the negative angle. After that you go for the mirror. So here with respect to x, so only the row 2 will have a negative sign, other row 1 and row 3 will have the positive sign of the unique value. Okay, after that the same thing will reverse, this is called R minus 1, R inverse, where we will rotate in the anti-clockwise direction, so that we can take the angle is positive, and here again we rotate, so that will be, this line will again reaching to here, so we will add plus 4. So here will be the plus 4. Okay, and after that just the multiplication part will be there. You can just multiply these two first. Okay, first you can write down the values of this. Okay, and after that just you have to multiply this two. Okay, after that this two, after that this two, after that this two, and like that you can get the final answer will be here. This will be the final answer, that is minus 2 to 8 comma 8.6 minus 4 11 1.2 11.6 111, and therefore the new vertices are a dash, b dash, c dash, you can see over here. Okay, I hope everyone understood this numerical. without any confusion. If you have any confusion, you can tell me. Is over?
No, sir.
No. Is there anyone having any kind of a confusion in this case? So please tell me. Is there anyone having any kind of doubt in this case?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Thank you very much.